Before we continue reading, we're going to review the questions that we need to answer. Number 5, how are the Mongols influenced by their opponents? Number 6, how did the rulers of the Yang dynasty change Chinese government? And we're going to skip number 7, the foldable. The Mongols brought peace to their lands. Peace was good for trade, and the Mongols now had control of many Asia's trade routes. They gained great wealth by taxing the goods that were traded. The Mongols had great respect for the cultures they now ruled. Sometimes they took on the beliefs and customs of the people. For example, the Mongols in Southwest Asia accepted Islam. The Mongols also learned from their enemy, the Chinese. They learned about gunpowder, and the firelands began to use them. With these new weapons, their enemies were even more afraid of the Mongols. Mongol conquest of China. In AD 1260, Genghis Khan's grandson, Kublai Khan, became ruler. Kublai Khan took over more of China. Kublai moved his capital from Karakorum in Mongolia to Khanbalik in northern China. Today, the city of Beijing stands in the same place. The Mongols in China ruled for 100 years, did not mix with the Chinese, stopped giving tests for government jobs, allowed others to practice their own faiths, and brought China its greatest wealth and power. In AD 1279, Kublai Khan made himself China's new emperor and started the Yuan dynasty. The Yuan dynasty means beginning. However, the Yuan dynasty lasted for only about 100 years. Kublai Khan ruled for 30 of those years. The Yuan rulers stopped using the civil service examinations for government jobs. They let non-Chinese work in the government. The Mongol and Chinese cultures were different in many ways. The Mongols had their own language, laws, and customs. They separated them from the Chinese people they ruled. The two groups lived apart and did not mix socially.